fucking making things. And it's totally reasonable we should get paid and laid over this whole process. Why the fuck not, you know? That you can't fake commitment. It's a smell.
Still with it on fabric, there's still leaves wet stuff.
You know, this red mode bugging me about how you frame this shit. You know, he said, well, you can improve this book for me. I need you to do. Would you be willing to do books of birth here? See, the book of snakes. Took that here.
The book of barbecue. Alright, let's put the ashtray full of cigarette butts over here. That's important.
See, the problem is that this book is not selling, and I need some. Two snakes there. The snake handler. You know, I got. Kimmy, you're kind of a hot chick. I mean, why don't you kind of help me out?
I'm a very healthy hot chick. I'm more on the fat, healthy chick.
Snake stew. You got the eater of the snakes, and you got the bark of that right there, buddy.
You know what?
Some of it's good, but some of it really sucks. And you know what? That's okay.
I'll be honest. The Michael Moore shit.
No,
I forgot what this was. Maybe $15. But they're asking, well, how do you?
Yes.
Oh, it's actually a receipt with bill. It's not that important.
How do you frame this guy?
Who's that guy? George, tell me. Who's that guy? What do you think about that picture, Kimmy?
I think it's Michael Moore.
It's red mud. You know, I gotta hang the book, George. How am I gonna hang this? These great pieces. You know what?
That's fucking roadkill right there, isn't it?
You say how you're gonna fucking hang the book and start.
She's attracted to that.
Yeah, see? That's how you fucking hang the book, right?
Because it's what you want to do, and you just put it out there, man. You're just like, this is what I want to do.
There, buddy. That's perfect.
The mingling where, like, society's actually bumped.
That fucking retarded, you know. He's sitting there playing with little fucking balls.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
White trash bin.
Yeah. Like a little kitty on a little playground, you know. For crying out, here I am trying to sell serious artwork on there.
Oh, no, it totally gets worse. It's better sexual.
Oh, red mud. He's accusing me of being a self.
Sis, you're not going to fuck shit.
So,
That's alright.
self-created folk art personality. There's a gallery, a big-time gallery over in Georgia called Lowry Gallery that was saying that they don't deal with self-created folk art personalities. They don't deal with the real deal.
It's totally
Separate.
The thing I could do is make myself a real folk artist.
I kind of appreciate it. This is probably one of the few things I actually like about the book.
Is it me? Do I?
He's all jealous about home sweet home and
Absolutely. It's like me wanting to be black or something like that. There's just no fucking way I'll ever be considered a folk artist.
oh my god, a deer got hit in the road. Holy shit.
Up there, like the Lowry dudes trying to say that characters that make make self-styled, non-folk art, whatever.
This one.
I mean, that's what I want to know, is a self-created personality.
How raw is it?
Now, I don't know what the hell that means exactly. I'm trying to figure it out.
What do you think that book would make you want to eat?
But see, that's what I realized, that this folk art deal, man, is that you got to be the real deal.
Makes me want to eat barbecue.
The real deal is. And so I was thinking, like,
Whatever. But out of all the guys in the world, look at this. Look at the color of it.
and I realized that part of my being the real deal.
Look, it's the fucking book.
Just go over. I'm just drinking beer, ain't gonna fucking book.
So, you can't handle those.
Art personality.
Damn barbecue book. It's got book. Please.
More than I thought about the brain sounds hard. Why you gotta get rid of that bad virus?
Yeah, it's all about barbecue.
Folk art personality. You gotta Rub the hard drive, you know? That's all my friends say.
I like it.
A self-active person. Starting over. Someone might come back with 65 cents.
Yeah, baby. You want that big bird?
Secret weapon.
No, fucking cool. Why are you George? Bye.
Here's my secret weapon right here.
Here's the fucking book, dude. I have.
By the next time I make another video, I'm going to pump gasoline for the next week or so. This gasoline will remove any of my knowledge of
Any sick motherfuckers out there, for the love of God.
consciousness to make a folk art personality. When I come out of this cycle, this long voyage,
Sit down your fucking book. Fuck.
I'll be a new man, a new person. And if someone comes up to me and says, oh, you wanted to do that,
Take this shit infested book from George.
I'd say, well, the results are I'm brain damaged now. Just like Bart.
I'm gonna take a shit on your book. Right now.
What the fuck? I can't be a fucking folk art personality again? Even if it's real, even though I haven't given it brain damage? It'll be fucking authentically real. Really produced from a brain damaged person, you know?
Watch it!
So that's my next big plan on becoming a big folk art superstar.
You're gonna get that good beat.